Now to the latest in the coronavirus outbreak. The Palmetto State now investigating 6 possible cases of the coronavirus, including one right here in the Upstate. Just hours ago, we learned a man who works for an Italian-based company with a plant in Spartanburg County traveled back to the Upstate from Italy to Spartanburg County and now is showing symptoms. He's currently being isolated as health officials connect how he got this virus. And as the number of possible cases grow in South Carolina, officials are urging people to remain calm and take measures to stop this spread. Health officials announced the coronavirus may have reached the Upstate, the now 6th possible case being investigated in the Palmetto State.
We were able to identify these additional cases through our investigative work, so it's a good sign that our process is working and that we're finding these cases quickly.
Talking directly to DHEC officials over a conference call Sunday, we asked several questions after learning a man from Spartanburg County returned home from Italy.
Did he go through the Greenville-Spartanburg airport on his way back from Italy?
While DHEC said they couldn't provide that information yet, the patient's company, Rit Rama, came forward saying the patient works for the Italian company at their Upstate plant. They tell us the man travels back and forth from Moore, South Carolina to Italy, and these reservations were booked before the outbreak. Now he and other employees are being self-isolated after the patient returned through Charlotte.
What MUSC has set up does eliminate a trip to the doctor.
On Saturday, Governor McMaster encouraged people to use a new online portal, which takes you one step closer to the doctor's office from the comfort of your bed. Developed by MUSC, we know one of their own healthcare providers is being monitored for the virus in Charleston. Health officials are also looking after another woman patient from Camden, who's hospitalized in Columbia. DHEC says 2 possible new cases are individuals who came in direct contact with the woman. A 3rd possible case out of Camden is also being looked into, but officials say the patient has no known connection to other cases.
Go about your daily lives with the understanding that there is a new virus out there, but there are ways to protect yourself from it.
In addition to the new possible cases, we're learning that 2 students in the Midlands may have been exposed to the coronavirus. The Kershaw County School District announced 2 students, one from Camden High School and another from North Central High School, were interning at the emergency room when a patient with a possible case of the virus was admitted. School officials say neither student came in direct contact with this patient, but their families have been asked to self-isolate just as a precaution. The district says schools went through deep cleaning over the weekend just in case. And after these announcements, Governor McMaster released a statement today reiterating people should stay calm. Quote, "There is no cause for public alarm or speculation. It's important to remember that each individual is responsible for their own actions and personal hygiene. If you feel sick, stay home and contact your doctor." End of quote. In the meantime, here are some helpful tips from the CDC on how to prevent the coronavirus. They suggest covering your cough and sneeze, cleaning your hands with soap and water often, call ahead before visiting your doctor so they can take the proper steps to keep everybody safe. And then make sure that you don't come in contact with other people or animals, and clean off all high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, phones, countertops, tabletops. You can find all these tips on the CDC's website. And we will have continuing coverage right here on Fox Carolina. Coming up in the next half hour, we will hear from the federal response as the outbreak continues across the U.S.